Why do 99% of construction sites feel like a sitcom? Let's break down the characters. First up, we've got the perfectionist. This guy measures twice, cuts once, and still isn't happy. You know who you are. Next, there's the speed demon. Always in a rush, tools flying everywhere. Slow down, buddy, it's not a race. Oh, and let's not forget the gadget guy. If it's new and shiny, he's got it. Laser level, check. Bluetooth hammer, why not? Then, there's the coffee addict. Seen without a mug? Impossible. Who needs sleep when you have caffeine, right? And finally, the storyteller. Every break he's got a new wild tale. Truth or not, who cares? It's always a good laugh. So which one are you? Or maybe you're a mix of all of them? Hit like if you spotted your coworker. Subscribe for more laughs. See you on the next job site.